Okay guys, after we load the ink and do the head cleaning, after we first attempt to load the ink, then we can start to do the nozzle check print. Before we do not check print, please, we need to put white paper or transparent film or glass at the table, and then we go to the top cover. We place, first we move the carriage off the home position. We can use by software, we can also use by the finger. So move the carriage, move out of home position. Then we go to first push down and then push up. Remember the sensor is from here and here, so all the media you want to do the detect, you must move the material at this position, this line. Otherwise, the upper limit sensor will not working for the material. So we move up, and it's better for we check by eyes to check the gap between the print head and the media. And it's automatic stop. It's automatic stop. When the material gets detected by the upper limit sensor, we automatically stop. But for safety, we need to check by eyes again. So be sure the gap between the material and print head surface is 2 millimeter. And you see the edge here maybe 3, but the inside is only 2 because the inside of the print head surface is a little bit small, over the size than the front lever. So I'll be sure the gap is effective about 2 or 1 mm. Then we move back the carriage to home position. We can also place by finger. So by home position. And then we go to the software. We can go to print by any position. So if we want to print on the front, we need to click on Y margin to 0. So, but if we want to print on any position, when the table is here, you want to print just this position, you just click print directly. No need to click on the Y margin. Okay, so after we did several times of head cleaning from the software for all the heads, then we can do the nozzle check print again. If we do not check, we still reset the margin, print margin. For 30, click on the Y margin. Then we go to check print. And here we put auto 30. We click on the Y margin by 30. Any position as you want. Bigger than 0 is okay. Then we click print. And also do not forget to turn on the UV lamp, the UV control box power. Then we start to print. We click print, the material go in, and the carriage will then go to the 0 position and start print. And then the margin is not enough, so we make it bigger. We make it by Y margin by 20, by 80. We try again. Okay, so now we can see the print result. Take it out. So let me take the camera, enlarge. We can see the printing result is coming. We can see KCM1, LCLM. So we can see the color is from left to right, KCM1, LCLM. And be sure all the color, all the nozzle are print totally jet out. So if you get some lines without print, so I need to do the cleaning again. And at the front of the color is for white. Here, print on here, because it's a wet paper, cannot see the wet ink, but you can see with light, you can see clearly this the ink, the varnish, and the white ink is coming. And here, so this is varnish. This varnish is because varnish is transparent. We can also not see on the wet paper. And at the front of the white ink here is for white. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 channel for white, 6 channel for varnish. So for better to look, it's better to print on the transparent film or glass so you can see with light. And just be sure this varnish and this white all are print as well as the color. So be sure it's working well, then we can start to print picture. If you cannot get good Nozzle check print, so the print quality and the color will not original. And if you like some nozzles not print, so maybe that means the print head is empty. So you need to do the head cleaning, load ink again, then do not check again to be sure the Nozzle check print out with good quality.